If you're new to crypto, you've probably heard two names over and over: Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're the biggest players in the space, but they're not the same game. So let's break it down: Bitcoin versus Ethereum, and help you understand what they actually do, how they're different, and which one might deserve your attention right now. Bitcoin was the original. Launched in 2009, it was designed to be digital gold, a store of value, a decentralized currency, and a hedge against inflation and government control. Ethereum came along in 2015 with a different goal. It wasn't just about money, it was about functionality. Ethereum is a platform, a world computer, a place where developers can build apps, smart contracts, NFTs, and more. Bitcoin wants to be money. Ethereum wants to be everything else. Here's where things get technical, but stay with me. Bitcoin runs on something called proof of work. That means miners use powerful computers to solve math problems and secure the network. It's very secure, but it's slow and energy intensive. Bitcoin handles about 7 transactions per second. Ethereum used to use proof of work too, but not anymore. It's now moved to proof of stake, which is faster, more energy efficient, and scalable. Instead of miners, Ethereum uses validators, people who lock up ETH as a security deposit to keep the system running smoothly. It's like moving from fossil fuels to clean energy. Same concept, better execution. Ethereum is the backbone of DeFi, NFTs, and thousands of decentralized apps. It's where the future of Web3 is being built. And now that it's upgraded to proof of stake, it's cleaner, faster, and ready for mainstream adoption. Meanwhile, Bitcoin remains the king, but its use case is narrower. It's still seen as the digital gold standard, but Ethereum is shaping up to be the infrastructure for a decentralized internet. It depends on what you're looking for. Want a long-term hedge, a store of value, and the original decentralized asset? Bitcoin. Want something with real-world application, smart contracts, and the potential to power the next tech revolution? Ethereum. You don't have to choose one or the other. You just have to understand what you're holding. And if all of this sounds overwhelming, don't worry. We've created a powerful eBook that breaks it all down: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, silver mining companies, and more, explained in simple, clear steps to help you make smarter moves in a shifting economy. The link is below. Download the eBook and start building financial clarity today. Thanks for watching Dealmakers Den. If you found value in this video, give us a like, follow, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.